My team and I get a lot of emails every week about data recovery, where people keep asking how to deal with data loss and if our software actually works for their cases. So in today's video, we're doing a full review of EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard to show you what it can actually do. I'll be using this USB drive that's been through multiple rounds of file deletion and formatting. And by the end of this video, you'll get to know its features, my hands-on experience, and the actual recovery results. EaseUS handles common data loss scenarios like permanent deletion, formatting, and even system crashes. It's a powerful tool that supports over 1,000 file types across more than 2,000 device types, including USB drives, SD cards, HDDs, and even complex setups like NAS and RAID. The software is specifically designed to handle complex recovery cases on frequently used or old storage devices, just like this USB drive we're testing today. It performs deep scans to find lost files that other tools might miss, making it a reliable solution for almost any device. Now, if you have used other software before, you might say, this isn't really that different from the rest. But I suggest you keep watching because what I found during testing was actually a bit surprising. First, we launched the software. The interface is clean and straightforward. We'll select our USB drive right here and click Scan to start the process. And during the scan, we can see files appearing in real time. We don't have to wait for the full scan to finish. If we find our files early, we can recover them immediately or even pause the scan at any time. For my test today, I was scanning a 32 GB USB drive and it took about 15 minutes for the complete scan. The scanning speed is very efficient and felt much faster than other softwares I've used before. Now here's something interesting. A few months ago, EaseUS recently introduced its SSR engine. This improves recovery success rate by around 30%, especially for frequently used USB drives and SD cards like the one we're testing. Once the scan is complete, we can evaluate the results. We'll use the filters to sort by file type, like photos or documents, and we can even preview files for free to confirm they're okay before hitting recover. It even includes an automatic repair feature for damaged files. Now, we simply select our files and hit recover to save them safely to our computer. Once the recovery is finished, we can evaluate the results. Most of our files were restored completely with original names, and we can see that they opened properly. Moving on to the advanced tools, the disk image feature allows us to create a full backup of a failing drive before starting recovery, which prevents further wear and data loss. Separately, if your Windows PC won't boot due to a crash, the Crash PC Rescue tool creates a bootable USB to get your files out safely even when the system fails to load. So, when should you use it? It's ideal for accidental loss or formatting on USBs and SD cards. But if your drive has physical damage or is making clicking noises, it's better to see a professional. Regarding the price, the free version starts with 500 MB, but we can easily increase that to 2 GB with a quick social media share. It's a great way to test the results on Windows before committing to the paid version. Compared to many other recovery tools, this is a relatively higher fee allowance, making it useful for small file recovery or testing the software before committing. It also provides multiple purchase options to choose from, and discounts are frequently available, making it more affordable depending on timing. The paid version then allows for full data recovery without limits, and importantly, you can scan and preview everything before making any purchase. If you're not fully convinced yet, it's a good idea to explore and compare other recovery tools. Checking top reviews can help you choose the one that best fits your specific needs. If you need high success rates for heavily used devices, EaseUS is a solid choice. Just make sure to act quickly to avoid overwriting your data. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more tutorials like this one.